Hello and welcome to another episode of the Chef TNs. Well, you must have guessed it right that today we are not making some ordinary Indian dish, but today I have with me two special chefs from South Africa directly. So we have Chef Abigail with me and Chef Sifo with me, who will be presenting to you two delectable South African dishes. So now we have Chef Sifo with me, who is going to prepare what dish, Chef?
I'm going to prepare some very easy dish which is a beetroot salad.
Start the cooking.
So now I have my already cooked beetroot and grated.
Okay, so we adding cooked beetroot,
Yes.
which is already grated and cooked, and then to
I'm
it.
gonna add some chutney.
So we adding the
Mrs.
secret
secret ingredient, Mrs.
from
Paul's
South Africa.
chutney from
Miss
South
Paul's
Africa.
chutney. Okay.
Then a little bit of salt and pepper.
This salt. So you can add some salt as per your
Just a little
taste.
bit, not too much. Pepper. And a little bit of just a drizzle of olive oil. Can I please have some olive oil there?
So we're making a beetroot salad with South African spices.
Just
It's
a little
quite different
drizzle.
from what we have in India.
Then you just mix everything together.
Okay.
You see, that was easy.
It was very easy. I guess it just took us a minute to prepare this salad. Just a minute.
But if you like it a little bit tangy, you can just add a squeeze of lemon juice.
Okay,
Yeah, if you
okay,
just, yeah.
okay.
I think I have some lime here. I will just, if there is enough, then I can just cut it and just add a squeeze of some lime. There we go.
So I think this is perfect for all the health freaks,
Yeah.
who like to prefer salads in their meals. So I think this beetroot salad is very healthy. You just have to steam it, then put together the chutney. You can, if you don't have the South African secret sauce, then you can definitely put in your pineapple chutney or the mango pickle that you have at home. So just the beetroot, some salt and pepper, and the secret sauce with a little bit of tanginess. You can add some lemon juice and olive oil. So perfectly healthy, and I think very less in calories also.
Yes, it is. Then I'm just gonna plate it.
Okay, so it's ready and we will
It is
plate.
ready. It is quick.
So that was very quick. हमारा beetroot salad जो है बनकर तैयार है. I'm sure अभी recently आलिया भट्ट का beetroot salad बहुत famous हुआ था, but now Sifo का beetroot salad जो है India खाने वाला है.
I'm just gonna
Okay, the
crumble
star
some feta-
ingredient is the feta cheese.
feta cheese. Just
Okay.
a crumble of feta cheese. Then you just garnish it.
Okay.
There we go.
With microgreens.
Micro heads, yes.
This is the famous beetroot salad. Let's try it with some feta. How's that? It's actually really good, and it's very similar to the aam ki chutney, that khatti meethi chutney that we make at home, along with the beetroot, and that feta is giving a kick. So I think it's really good to go on the side. So hope you liked this dish and hope you can make these easy recipes at home as well.